Today, we're going to bring a label maker and it's going to download it. And then we want to print. All you got to do is hit print. All right. So we're going to say print in the bottom here. And now we have to do is now once you set this up, you don't have to do what I just did right now. All you got to do is hit print. Look at that. Then you grab your label, take it out. Fragile. It's very simple. And because it's pink, we're also going to do a different color. So we're going to use this one. And now you got to do is hit print. And look at this. You hit print. Sends automatically, and then you grab your sticker. Look at that, beautiful. Then you grab your sticker out, put the sticker and label. Look at that label machine. I mean, I use this for my products when I ship stuff out. I always use this machine because it does some great stuff on it. So for example, we're gonna go back and we're going to start a new setting. All you got to do is click create, all right, and here, and it's going to ask you what kind of creations you want, and you got to know the size of the actual label, all right. So we're going to go more, and it gives you different options. Right now we have the leather, so we're going to say leather on that one, or different designs if you guys can see that. And we do have a pink. It's pink on this one, so we have to look for the color that we have. And then you could create your own. It gives, is if you're very familiar with actual Photoshop, you could create with layers and so forth. So right now we're going to do text, and we're going to double click here, and we're just going to say thank you on this one. You can move it around, and then you could shrink it by holding the button down. Just hold it down. If you guys can see, shrink it down. And like I said, go rotate how you want, right? Any direction you want. So we're going to put it back. And then you can always X out to completely get rid of it. All right, get rid of it. And you can start over. You're going to go in there. Now on the fonts, you got plenty of fonts you can do. You could recreate the font, English fonts, and they give you hundreds of different types of fonts. So we're going to go thank you this time. Thank you. You go back in there. And then we could illustrate. We could create our own drawings if we want, or we could actually import our own drawings too in here. Right now, we're just going to go in Easter, and we're going to drag maybe a bunny here, if you guys can see it. And the bunny's right here. We're going to put it right, we're going to shrink it down. We click in here, move the bunny here, say move the thank you right below it. And this is pretty much how I want to see it. So we're going to go ahead and send it to the printer. All right, print. And then you could save this as your template, so you can always reuse it, like I said. So print it. And look at that. There it is. Very simple. The bunny says thank you. So I hope you guys enjoy the video.